Searching for the perfect suitcase that balances style, durability, and function? Today, I've got you covered with the best Travelpro luggage options that can make traveling smoother and stress-free. From lightweight carry-ons to spacious check bags, I'll break down what makes each piece stand out, and of course, I'll share the pros and cons so you know exactly what you're getting. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, this guide will help you find the right fit. Let's dive in. Number 1. Overall best pick. Travelpro Expandable Carry-On Luggage. The Travelpro MaxLite 5 Soft Side Expandable Carry-On is a reliable and lightweight suitcase, perfect for frequent flyers or weekend trips. At just 21 inches, it's compact yet surprisingly spacious, especially with the expandable feature that gives you a little extra packing room when needed. The 4 spinner wheels make maneuvering through crowded airports effortless, and the sturdy handle feels durable. A big plus is how lightweight it is, so you can pack more without worrying about weight limits. On the downside, since it's soft side, it may not offer as much protection against heavy impacts compared to hardshell options. Overall, it's a practical and well-designed carry-on for everyday travelers. Number 2. My second best pick, Delcy Paris Hardside Luggage. The Delcy Paris Helium Aero Hardside Luggage is a stylish and spacious option for travelers who need a reliable checked bag. At 28 inches, it offers plenty of room for longer trips, and the expandable feature adds extra space when you need it. The brushed charcoal finish gives it a sleek, modern look while the hard shell provides solid protection for belongings. The spinner wheels glide smoothly, making it easy to maneuver even when fully packed. One drawback is that the glossy surface can pick up scratches and scuffs fairly quickly. Still, with its durability, generous capacity, and smooth handling, it's a great choice for frequent travelers. Number 3. My third best pick, Travelpro MaxLite 5 Upright Checked Luggage. The Travelpro MaxLite 5 Soft Side Expandable Upright 26-inch is a solid choice for travelers who prefer lightweight, yet durable checked luggage. Its 2-wheel upright design rolls smoothly and is easy to handle, especially through airports and hotels. The expandable compartment offers extra packing space without adding much weight, which is great for longer trips. The soft side fabric feels sturdy and resists wear, while the interior compartments keep clothes organized. One downside is that, unlike spinner wheels, the 2-wheel design requires more effort to pull in tight spaces. Still, for those who value reliability, lightweight, and ample storage, this bag is a dependable travel companion. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Travelpro Crew Classic Checked Luggage. The Travelpro Crew Classic 25-inch spinner is a dependable checked luggage option for frequent travelers who need both style and functionality. Its lightweight soft-side design makes packing easier, and the expandable feature provides extra room when needed. The 8 spinner wheels glide effortlessly in any direction, making it simple to maneuver through crowded airports. The built-in TSA lock adds peace of mind for security-conscious travelers. The interior layout is practical, with compartments that help keep clothing and accessories neatly organized. One drawback is that when fully packed, it can feel a bit bulky to lift into overhead compartments or car trunks. Overall, it's a durable and versatile suitcase worth considering. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Crosser Soft Side Expandable Carry-On Luggage. The Crosser Soft Side 20-inch carry-on is a smart choice for travelers who value convenience and modern features. Its durable fabric feels sturdy, and the expandable design allows extra packing space when needed. The smooth spinner wheels make airport navigation effortless, while the built-in TSA lock adds a layer of security. One standout feature is the USB port, which makes charging devices on the go much more convenient. The compartments inside are well organized, helping keep clothes and essentials in place during travel. A minor drawback is that when fully expanded, it may not fit smaller overhead bins. Still, it's a stylish, functional, and reliable option for frequent trips. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite best Travelpro luggage? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.